Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. My name is Phyllis, and if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to thank you for stopping by and ask that you please consider subscribing by tapping the subscribe button, click the bell and select all to be notified of all future videos that I upload. In today's video, I am participating in the Galvanized Tablescape 2020, and this is being hosted by the lovely Kimberly Davis of Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. I will have Kimberly Davis's channel link along with the participants playlist in the description box below. If you're interested in seeing how I put my galvanized tablescape together, then just keep watching. Now let's get started. I used this Pinterest inspiration to create my own galvanized charger, and these are chargers that I've used throughout these tablescapes in 2020, and they've been painted several times. Here you can see I'm just using old house paint. I stippled the gray, and then I went on top of it with the black, and then on top of it with the white, and I kept interchanging gray, black, white, until I got the effect of what I wanted it to look like. I didn't get it exactly like the Pinterest inspiration, but I came very close. And here is my finished look. And now, my Galvanized Tablescape 2020. It does have a masculine feel. Just sit back, watch, and enjoy. And I thank you for stopping by. Thank you so much for watching. JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. And until next time, bye-bye.